Okay, this is a separate video which may be linked with other videos, but this is the video for how to take permissions of the EMS folder. This is a necessary step that must be done on any Windows OS since Vista. So what we're doing here is we have the 64-bit EMS installed on this machine, and I've already located the EMS folder under the program files. I'm going to right click it, choose properties, and click the security tab. Now I want to edit the security, and I'm going to find all users. These will be any users that will be created on this machine, and give them full control. And then OK. And OK. Now here is the test. If you actually have write control, you should be able to right click and create, say, a text file. I'm going to just call it test. So obviously we now have full read-write control, and we can delete that test file. Okay, that takes care of permission settings.